What if chewing your food saved our earliest ancestors from extinction? Sounds wild, right? But stick with me. Picture this. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid slams into Earth, dust clouds block out the sun, temperatures plummet, and plants die off. It's the end of the world for the dinosaurs. But for some of our tiny, furry ancestors, this was just another Tuesday. Why? Because they had a secret weapon, their jaws. While giant dinosaurs were starving, unable to find enough leafy greens, our mammal relatives were small, about the size of a shrew. They were scurrying around in the post-apocalyptic gloom, looking for anything to eat. And that's where chewing comes in. Before the impact, these early mammals had already evolved complex teeth. They didn't just bite and swallow like reptiles. They could grind, crush, and shear their food. This is a huge deal. It means they could break down tough stuff like insects, roots, and seeds, unlocking way more energy and nutrients from every single bite. Think of it like this. A T-Rex could tear off huge chunks of meat, but it couldn't really chew. Our ancestors, on the other hand, were like little food processors. This ability to get more bang for their buck from a wider variety of foods was a game changer. When the global food supply collapsed, the dinosaurs, with their specialized diets, were in big trouble. But our versatile leading ancestors could make a meal out of almost anything they could find in the debris. Scientists have studied the fossilized jaws and teeth of these early mammals, like Purgatorius. They found where patterns that show these creatures had incredibly advanced chewing motions. They could move their jaws not just up and down, but also side to side, allowing for incredibly efficient food processing. This wasn't just about survival. It was about thriving when others couldn't. This efficiency meant they needed less food overall to stay alive, a critical advantage in a barren world. So, while the mighty dinosaurs faded into history, these small, resourceful chewers hung on. They survived the darkness and the cold, ready to step into the light when the world recovered. They diversified, grew larger, and eventually gave rise to all the mammals we see today, including us. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes it's not the biggest or the strongest who survive, but the most adaptable. The simple act of chewing our food properly is a legacy of this incredible evolutionary story. The next time you sit down for a meal, remember the ancient superpower that helped our ancestors outlast the dinosaurs. What other hidden advantages helped shape the world we know today?